Hello and good morning. Good morning, all of you, in my self talking journey, day 38. Here I would like to improve my communication skill. So, communication skill improvement, everyone, we would like to improve our communication skill. Communication skill actually is a summation of many more things, like it's included the way you deliver your speech, your body language, your confidence level, your attitude, your appearance, your acceptance. So you can't buy this from market, right? Or you not inherit it in yourself in single day. It's a continuous process. If you really conscious about that, then one by one new things by inheriting you can and develop it in you into you. So here, to improve my communication skill, what I have decided that I would like to study book and yes, talk with people with confidence and in different topics. And um, the in my background is technical background. So most of the time I have to speak with client, uh, mainly in technical discussion. So when I talk with client in technical discussion, on the time it's not creating that much problem actually. On the time talking with technical discussion, so I am used to. But what happened, basically, the rapport building also very important. If I want to build a rapport with someone, then and I have to be very confident and very used to on that language. And, um, and, and uh, that is actually helping a lot. So in this case, is what I've found that yes, discipline, dedication, and determination. This is the 3D pillar. It is very important, and there is a framework. Say, uh, print. A for that means focused. Sorry, focused, innovative, reliable, self-motivated, and team-oriented. So this is the five things in brain framework. That means focused, innovative, reliable, and self-motivated and team-oriented. So it's very important and to achieve any goal, or you if you want to handle any situation. So it's very important. And there is another principle. That is a 6I principle. That means identify, identification, and intent. So this by using this principle also we can achieve many more things in our life. If we in our life, if we be very disciplined and consistent and day-to-day basis, if we properly audit ourselves that what we are doing actually, when we are doing anything in our life, we are accountable for that. Sometimes in our life what we are doing, we are just blaming for others. Suppose we do not want to achieve anything, we are failing in our life, and we admit the setbacks in our life. But instead of setback, if we just uh, think for bounce back, and just we work to make it success. So setback is not the solution. Setback is actually it's help us to build. If we properly take any setback in a positive way, then we can and improve many more things in our life. Actually, setbacks is very common, and each and every successful person in this world, they pass through many more setbacks, but they overcome, they win over the situation, and they find their potential after just accepting this challenge, this setback. When they overcome, they just reach a new level, new destination. They place their new identity. So you have to think on this way instead of just the completely broken, and it will be better approach that we take setback as a challenge, and, and we do something new. We invent ourselves. So what is the loophole, what we can do better, and how we can do better in very short time. And the right people, right surrounding is very very important. If you have a proper uh, mentor will guide you to reach the destination in very short time in more scientific approach. Or sometimes some distraction, some obstacle is coming, but that is just to make us a better version of ourselves. Each and every day, if I trained our mind in such a way that we improve ourselves 1% daily, then it's create a massive change in our life. And we do achieve anything and everything. Self belief is the main thing. If we have a self belief and self discipline, with help of this we can achieve anything and everything. With the right discipline in we can achieve anything and everything. So discipline is the key of success, and discipline actually make a good habit. So let for example wake up early in the morning, and it's a really very very good things actually in morning time. If you wake up, and after that if you fully focused on the day routine, what is your plan, how you make a day success. Each and every day actually it's a new page. You have the full power to write it's the right things, how you make your day success. So we should think in this way. We may start our day with some yoga exercise. So body soul mind, this is the three pillar of our life. And so if our body is full energy and enthusiasm, then and we can and achieve any goal with very short time. And we're able to work anything with full focus. And soul, actually we have to empower our soul by spiritually. um, Spiritual practice, it's very very essential. We have to spend sometimes, we are spending our time for our office, for our relation, and for our society. But yes, sometimes we forget to take care ourselves. So we have to spend in 5 to 10 minutes for ourselves. We have to talk with ourselves, that what we want actually, and what we can do better. Sometimes we just uh, mm, uh, looking after pleasure, but instead of pleasure, a spiritual freedom. If you start practicing on that, then you achieve many more things. Sometimes we just self-centric, we are just think about ourselves, we don't try to think others. But if we sometimes we have to thankful for to us that what we are getting in our life. That's many more things. That is a big dream. Sometimes we are very sorrow, we upset, but what we achieve today, this is a dream for many more deprived people. They want to achieve these things. So what we have to thankful, and we definitely thanks for how we make it better. But with that, if we try to build ourselves in proper way, then we also help other, hand holding support others. So when I build myself, it's not build myself, I am helping to for my family member. They trust us, they believe us, so they also feel confident. And they also, if I just create a personality as that they can follow. Oh, then they also encourage, and it's also long run it's help to society. So we should not be self-centric always. We should be things about our society as well, how to make a better society, how to contribute for our society, how it will create value. So self-centric is not the solution. We have to be think about our society. In my uh, journey, I different time different challenges I faced in my life, and each and every challenge, from there I learned many more things. And this this is the things. Once we overcome the challenges, as we thought it's a very small one, as because, but the same problem, it's very difficult for other. uh, and um, what I think, another thing today I would like to discuss, that is commitment. And I already committed myself that each and every week I will release a learning and groceries as episode. But yes, last week I am not able to release this learn and groceries episode. So what I planned that this week I release two episode, as that at what I not able to fulfill my commitment, I will commit, I will do this, as because it will be always better, instead of giving excuse, instead of delay procrastination, you should took some action. And without action we can't achieve anything in our life. I, and action taker always lead their life. Action taker create their identity, set up their create vision. And um, I'm quite lucky that I have a very few friends, like Paulo, who is working like a mentor, and also Orijit. He is also who communicate with me in my bad situation, guide me a lot, or in which way I just upgrade myself, help. And uh, definitely Sudha, my uh, Sudha, Dibendu, Jyotirmoy, they are my childhood friend. They always help me, always support me, and when I meet with them, I feel myself young, and I am feeling very very happy. I just moved to that the golden time when I was very very happy in my child days, when I was so young. Yes, listen music is also very very helpful to relax our mind. Listening music, actually few music, when some few lyrics, when it's making great feelings, we just reach on that time, and happiest moment, and it's make us younger. So sometimes in our life, if we should relax ourselves by listening music, by talking with good friend who encourage us so always keep touch with right mentor. That is very very important in our life. So life is summation of many more things, and definitely we have to take care ourselves. We have to think ourselves what we can do better each and every day, how we can 1% progress. As with that we can and define our new milestone. um, mm, and in this communication journey, the way I am talking right now, I think I will be within 1 year I have achieved a great level of success in my communication journey, when I will be very very confident. And it's my dream Yes, here I am talking just myself, but yeah, communication skill, that means communicate with the other people on that time, how much confident, how you express yourself, how you show your appearance, how they accept you, how they admire you. So these things, I have to adopt all those things, and definitely I will add add all those ingredient in myself. For today, I think it's more than enough. Thank you so much. Bye bye.